Hello guys, this is P and
this is Sarah.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and one side marker. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and side marker with explanation. Let's go.
Okay.
So, first step of Saida men, but at two guys make a touch. One touch for me, but you have to put your partner on the left.
So, here.
And me, I'll stay on the left too. After with my hand, guys, just give an impulse to turn her. 3.
So, for girls, very straight and turn on your front.
And then we are on the right, okay? After you have to close, so just give an impulse to close your foot, okay? But at this moment, guys, you have to change your weight. Not for ladies, but only for you men. So my weight is on the left now, okay? Because after I can just shift to the right for me and to the left for ladies, okay? So it's a touch, so don't put your weight at this moment, because after I will just turn on the left, okay? My weight is on the right and my partner on the right too. And after just step back, but touch one more time, okay? And after advance her, my weight is still on the left and my partner too.
And after close.
But when you close, guys, don't move. It's a dead time for you. Just turn her, but you have to still stay on the left. And after just side and marker, okay? 2 first steps side men. 1, touch for me, not for ladies. Give an impulse to turn your partner. 3, okay? And after just close. But guys, change your weight at this moment, okay? Because after you can shift to the right and your partner to the left. 2, 1, okay? Turn, 2. Step back to touch, advance, close, side, marker.